I stepped on a floating bridge. Time bent like water around an. A floating bridge of intricately woven vines, roots, and moss suspended me above the churning waters of the Atenum River. The structure creaked softly underfoot as I gingerly approached a peculiar stone archway that seemed to shimmer with an inner light, a soft iridescence that caught my eye and beckoned me closer. My heart raced, a mixture of anticipation and fear of the unknown causing it to thrum in my chest like a hummingbird's wings. With hesitant steps, I carefully made my way across the bridge, each footfall sending ripples through the verdant foliage that formed its surface. The air was thick with the scent of damp earth and the faintest hint of something metallic, a smell that seemed to grow stronger as I neared the archway. As I reached out to touch the cold stone of the relic embedded in the center of the arch, I couldn't help but marvel at the intricate carvings that adorned its surface, swirling patterns and runes that seemed to dance and shift beneath my fingertips. Time moved like water then, rippling, surreal, and unreal, as if I'd stepped into a dream. The air shimmered with a golden hue that cast long, dancing shadows across my path, and the world around me seemed to blur and warp, as though reality itself were a fragile thing, easily bent and shaped by the will of this ancient artifact. The whispers of forgotten prayers and ancient hymns echoed around me, carried on the wind like the faintest whisper of a memory. Time's relentless march seemed to slow, allowing me to savor each moment as if it were an eternal treasure, every second stretching into an eternity that I could explore at my leisure. In that place, between the now and then, I held to my faith, recalling the mercy of Jesus in the middle of this mess, finding solace and religious meaning in every twist of time and tangled vine around me. The world seemed to fall away, leaving only me and the relic, a connection forged through time and space that transcended understanding. I closed my eyes, immersed in the symphony of distant chants and lullabies that seemed to emanate from the very heart of the relic. When I opened them again, I was back on solid ground, the floating bridge fading into memory like mist in the morning sun. The world may continue at its usual pace, but I will always cherish the moments I spent suspended between time and reality, bound by faith and an ancient relic's grace. As a writer of fantastical tales for YouTube, this experience has forever changed my perspective on the power of storytelling and the importance of embracing the surreal when it appears in our lives. For a moment, I stood there, lost in thought, as I tried to make sense of what had happened. It was as if I had been granted a glimpse into another world, a place where time held no sway and the boundaries between reality and imagination were blurred and indistinct. But there was something more, something deeper that resonated within me, a feeling of connection to something greater than myself. In that place, I had felt the weight of history and the power of faith, a reminder that I was part of something much larger than my own small existence. With a sigh, I turned and walked away, the memory of the floating bridge and the ancient relic forever etched into my mind. And as I left, I couldn't help but feel that I had been given a gift, a precious treasure that would stay with me for the rest of my days. Comment your take.